everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to find out maximum and minimum values out of the given values in a column, and also how to put the serial number in an increasing order. So without wasting time, let's start today's lecture. So first, what we want to do, say we want to keep a column for what? Say serial number. So what I have done, right click it, right click that cell, go to the insert option, insert entire column. Okay, see this column come. Say I'm giving serial number. Okay, so after that, say you have put one, and when you drag your mouse pointer here, you'll see this plus symbol. But when you stress this line, okay, this all becomes one, but we don't want like that. We want what? One, two, three, four. Means after one we should have two, after two we should have three, like that. How could we do that? So first go to the one. Okay. Then there, go to that corner. You see that plus symbol. Now pressing what? Press Control and that your mouse left click. Now drag means stress. Dragging this, you will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These things are coming accordingly. So, is it simple? Yes, of course it is. So what I have done, I'm repeating again. I'm coming to that corner. I'm pressing that control with this left mouse click, and then I'm stretching it. Okay, so that becomes the serial numbers. Now main OTP is that suppose I want maximum, and I want minimum. So how to do that? Go to this cell, and then you know that all the formulas should begin with plus. So I'm putting plus. Then say first type maximum, MAX. You see this maximum is coming. Click it. Now from where? From which column we want to find the maximum? Say this amount column. Okay. Now select this. Press it. Left click and select all entire column. Okay, we have selected C DT to D8. DT, this is the D column from 3, okay, to D8. Okay, D8. Now close it, press enter. See the maximum value we have got 30,000. You can manually verify it. Out of these values, 30,000 is the maximum. Similarly, we try to find out the minimum. Say, okay, I'm considering the below one, equal MIN. This one come, click here, then select the range. Same way, I am selecting the range, DT to D8, close it, press enter. So minimum is 16,000, right? So that's where we can find the maximum and minimum value, and how to find out, or how to create the serial numbers of suppose a large number of entries, say 1000. You don't need to bother by writing 1, 2, 3, 4. You just do the same way I have shown it to you. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask me using the comment section. Thank you.